Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage service types in the car dealership module. Service types let you categorize the different maintenance and repair services your dealership offers, making it easier to track and assign the right service every time. Let's get started. From the menu, click on Service Types to open this section. This is where all the service categories your dealership offers are listed and managed. Click here to access the form page to start creating a new service types. Click on the Name field and type in the name of the service type. For example, oil change or brake inspection. Clear, specific names make it much easier for your team to select the right one when logging a service. Click on the Description field and add some detail about what this service actually involves. This is helpful context for anyone on your team who might not be familiar with exactly what the service covers. Once the name and description are filled in, click Create to save the new service type. It's now added to your list and ready to be used. After creating it, you will find the created service type in the service type list. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.